Okay, so now that you've seen a few discounts and markups, now we're going to talk a little bit about discounts and sales tax. Now, sales tax is essentially a markup, but if you're getting a discount, you calculate the tax after the discounts. For example, like if we're buying these socks here in this problem, original price of the socks is $21.50. They're not going to charge us a 5% sales tax on that price. Okay, what would happen is you'd go up, they say it's 50% off, they would knock the money off of that, and then that value would get taxed. So the first step in this is figuring out your discount. So just like we did in the problems before, we're going to take 50 and divide it by 100. I'm converting that percent into a decimal, and I get 0.5. Okay, so now I'm going to take 2150 and I'm going to multiply it by that 0.5. You could do that in your calculator. Again, we're not stressing about that at this point. We're going to take 21.5 and times it by 0.5, and we get $10.75. So, oopsie. So again, that is your discount. That's how much they're going to knock off the original price. Okay, so it's almost like you can treat that as like a negative value if you want. So we're going to take the $21.50 and we're going to knock off that $10.75. Discounts are a good thing, guys. We want to save money. So our price is going to be $10.75, so which makes sense. It's half of $21.50. So $10.75. So now they've knocked off $10.75, so now we're actually paying that, but that's not the same value. That's saying this is what got knocked off of our original sale price. Now this is the price that the register is going to tax you at. This is a 5% sales tax. So we're going to take 5 and we're going to divide that by 100, and we're going to get 0.05, and we're going to multiply our 1075 by 0.05. There's my calculator, and I hit it, and they say it's 0.54. Now think about that. That's pretty reasonable, but we're talking money, so we have to round that up to 54 cents. Okay, so 54 cents. They're going to charge us an extra slice. It's like I always say, the government wants their share. So when the transaction comes through, 54 cents is going to Harrisburg. So we're going to add that to our 1075 over here. So when we get done, the register should ring out at $11.29. Okay. So again, I know there's a lot of work there. It's really not that hard if you think about it. You want to figure out your discount or price, or discount or markup from the sales price. You want to figure that out before you add your tax, okay? So you do the discount, you do the markup, whatever you need to do, and you take that value, then tax that value. Taxes are normally small, so don't expect to get gigantic numbers. So 54 cents on a $10, like essentially an $11 bill, is pretty reasonable. Our sales tax is 6%. So if you do the math and you wind up getting like a tax of like $10,000 on your $11 transaction, you probably did something wrong, and go back and check it. I'll give you a minute to try this one, the price of the tie. So pause the video and I'll start in a second. So again, we've got the price of the tie is $13.50 with a 15% discount. So we're going to figure that out first. So $13.50, we're going to take 15 divided by 100. 15 divided by 100 is 0.15, and we'll times that by our original sales price. And I'm going to get another weird one, but it's money, so we're going to round to the nearest penny. So it's really $2.03. So 2.03. This is a discount, so it's like a negative value, and we're going to take that $2.03 and take it off of our $13.50. Again, use a calculator. $13.50 minus 203 is going to give us $11.47. That's the thing that's going to be taxed. We're going to get whacked with a 6% sales tax on this. So 6 over 100 is 0.06. 0.06 times that. That means the register is going to round that up to a 69 cents sales tax, and it's going to add it to our 1147. So 11.47 plus 0.69. The register, when we're all said and done and have to pay, should tell us we owe $12.16. Okay? Hopefully that made sense. Not, bring in and I will answer any questions you have.